Hey guys, this is a quick tutorial video for you guys to see how to get around in Canvas, how to use our Canvas shell, and some of the main components and aspects in Canvas that you will need to utilize to be successful in this course. If you haven't already seen my welcome video, please do so first. It's going to have some important information in there. Alright, so let's get started. So this is the dashboard. When you initially log in to Canvas, this is what you'll see. You'll see all of the classes you are taking at Imperial Valley College. And so we're going to click on our shell, our class. Alright, so the home screen is going to have, in this case, the attendance policy, drop policy, academic honesty, and so please read this initial page. Each week you'll have a to-do list which will tell you what to do for each week, so please read that every single week. It'll keep you on task, and it will tell you what to do and when it is due. Alright, so that's always be on this front page here, and it will be numbered. So now, let's go to announcements. I don't use announcements too often, but if there's some important some important dates that need to go out, some important things I need to tell you, I will use announcements. Usually I use them more in my face-to-face classes, but if something big is coming up, I'll put something in announcements. Next we have assignments. So the assignments will have a long laundry list of all the things that you will need to do in this course, and it'll have due dates. Next we have discussions. So each week we'll have a discussion on a particular philosophical topic where you'll need to put your own initial reply to the questions, and then you'll have to reply and have a discussion with other people in the class. Alright. Next one is grades. This is where you'll see all of your grades for the course. I do use the Canvas gradebook, so it's very important that you use that. You can see not only what you did on individual assignments, but you'll also be able to see what you have overall in the class so far. And assignments that I have not assigned you, of course, will not go into the gradebook and won't affect you. And assignments that I have assigned, but I have not graded, will not affect you either. So it'll all be up to date and very accurate. Alright, syllabus is where you'll find the syllabus. Quizzes is where you'll take all of your quizzes. They are timed, and they are true and false and multiple choice. And for the ones you got wrong, I do give you the answers, but you cannot take the quiz more than once. Modules. Modules are very similar to lecture notes. Some of it's text, some of it is videos that I post. And so these are the things that are really helpful, that will help you study for tests and quizzes. They're a nice addition to the textbook. The textbook is important, but modules are just as important as well. I'm going to be putting the to-do list in Pages. So right now your to-do list is to read the course policies, but eventually all of the to-do list will be in here for each week, and I'll have the most up-to-date to-do list for the week up here. So next week it'll change. So what you'll want to do each week is to review the to-do list. The to-do list will usually say read a particular module, participate in a discussion that can be found in that module, or you can go straight to discussions. It'll have a quiz that you can take, which will be found in the modules, that also can be found in quizzes as well, right over here. And it will tell you what pages you need to read in the textbook and any homework that you need to do, which can be found over here in assignments, and can also be found in grades, what you got on that. And you can click on the assignment and grades, and it will tell you the assignment. And so the main thing is to stay on task, is to read the to-do list, see when the due dates are. Some of the due dates are on Wednesdays. Many of them are due Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I will respond back to you as quick as possible. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the interweb later.